Hello, I'm Shane with Inside Japan, and today we're going to look at Japan's push to cut down on plastic bag use. Like many Westerners who visit Japan, one of my biggest shocks when I first came here was how everything was wrapped up in plastic. Even fruits and vegetables that have their own natural packaging were wrapped up too. And although they do still wrap up bananas and put individual red and yellow peppers in their own little bag, they are making an effort to cut down on the use of plastic shopping bags. In a recent video, we told you about how Japan has stopped handing out free plastic bags in the hopes of reducing plastic waste. So it is now a great time to get a reusable bag. I mean, who doesn't already have an irrationally large collection of plastic bags stowed away in some drawer or closet in their home? Reusable bags are referred to as eco bags, and although the pronunciation is the same as echo, don't try yodeling into one because it doesn't work. Trust me, it only makes you look foolish and everyone in the supermarket stares at you. If you've ever been in a convenience store or a bookstore in Japan, you've probably seen one of these. It looks like a magazine, but it's actually a bag. I know, a magazine turning into a bag is not the most exciting kind of transformer, but it's a lot better for the earth than a truck that turns into a robot bent on its destruction. These non-lethal bags come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and designs with various branding. Last year, we took a look at one of our favorite coffee shops/bakeries, DEAN DELUCA. The brand is quite popular, and you're likely to see their tote bags everywhere. Their most recent offering is flying off the shelf, not unlike a transformer. If you want one, just pick up the magazine Glow and take out the box you'll find inside. If you are Japanese, you'll probably peel the tape off painfully, slowly, and delicately. But feel free to use something sharp to rip the tape off more quickly. We do advise against using your teeth though. Inside Japan is not responsible for any damage that may occur to teeth while biting through packaging. Once you finally get it out of the box, you'll notice that it comes in two pieces. The larger one is great for the supermarket. Supermarkets in Japan use two different colored shopping baskets. The first one is to put in your cart and fill up as you walk around the store. Or you can carry it around on your arm if you want to build up some muscles. The second one is for the cashier to transfer your goods to after they've been rung up and paid for. You then carry the second basket, which often doesn't have carrying handles, to the bagging counter or table and bag your groceries yourself. The new Eco Bag eliminates that final step. Carry it around with you while shopping, and when you get to the cashier, just line the paid-for basket with the Eco Bag. Then, after the cashier rings up each product, they can put each individual item straight into your Eco Bag for you. So, after you pay, all you have to do is pull the drawstring and carry your bounty home, saving you the time it would take to bag your groceries yourself, the money you would spend on a plastic bag or two, and the hassle of trying to find even more space in your house for yet another plastic bag. The smaller bag is for plastic bottles. You can keep your drink cool in this convenient carrying case. But if you want to zip it up all the way to the top, you'll need to stick to bottles under 525 milliliters. You can fit the slightly larger 600 milliliter bottle in there too, but you'll have to ask yourself, is it important to you to be able to close your new drink bag to the top? Because with the 600 milliliter bottle, you won't be able to. There is also a strap which you can latch to the larger bag or sling across your shoulder, go for a walk, and enjoy this beautiful country. I'm Shane, and this is Inside Japan. Japan is a friggin' great country, and there's so many interesting points about it. We can't wait to cover them for you. So please subscribe to this channel for more of these kind of videos. And don't forget to like and share them with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.